bees a little bit of smoke and let them know we're coming. Give a few seconds for that to calm them down a little bit. I'm going to try a different technique today as far as getting the honey off. It's called a fume board. So, out of the way. All right. The way this works is I got this product here. It's called Honey Be Gone. I've never used it before. It's made out of it's all natural. It's made from essential oils, and it is supposedly an odor that the bees just do not like at all. And the way I understand it here, we just spray it on this lid. It's got some foam in it here to soak up the vapors. Give it a good spray. Take this inner cover off, set it on top of the hive, and the odor is supposed to drive the bees down out of the super and force them down deep into the hive. So we'll set that in place. Got it sprayed down real good. It's got kind of a reflective top on it here. I do whether this technique worked for me or not. So we'll take this cover off. If everything went like it's supposed to, should have forced all the bees down, and we'll pull it off here and take a look. We still have some bees up here, but not near the bees that we had a while ago. So I think possibly this was a success. Definitely a full super full of honey. Let me go put this in the truck. All right. Well, got a lot of excess honey here on top. I want to go ahead and spray this down again. We'll put that top back on. Give it a few more minutes to drive those bees down, and then we'll pull off this next box. And just to give you an example of what a solid frame of honey looks like, you see it's completely covered in wax, both sides. So the next step is we got to cut those wax cappings off. We're doing that in the cappings bucket, and then we'll move it over to the extractor, spin it, and pull the honey out. And this is just a hot knife that cuts the wax cappings off. what it looks like, and Dave's going to start spinning it. The centrifugal force throws the honey out against the sides of the extractor, runs down the sides, goes through a filter down below and down to that honey gate at the bottom where we get the filtered honey out. Pull one of these frames out and show you.